Let her buck. Got a bit of a milestone here today. Got this thing working and the quarter window's adjusted and everything works the way it ought to. It does fart a little as it's going up. Nice. Also spent a lot of time on getting these mirrors to work. You are not going to have defrost on your mirrors because I couldn't find any elements that actually worked. But they're both working. The switches work fine. So yeah, we made some good progress this week. And at this point, I think Tony and I are going to divide and conquer. He's going to go from here to the back of the car, and I'm going to go up here and get everything hooked up here. And gonna have to order up a stainless steel exhaust system because nothing else is available anywhere.